Ducati unveiled the Streetfighter V4 at a glittering function a few days before it was showcased at EICMA. Ducati says that the Streetfighter V4 is nothing but a stripped-down Panigale V4 and is aimed towards naked bike lovers. It is based on the fight formula, they say. Well, basically, they have installed the mental Desmosedici Stradale motor and kept it singing to the tune of 208 horsepower. Keeping it on the ground are biplane aerofoils, and then to make things more exciting, in comes the Panigale V4 electronic suite. Thanks to it weighing just 178 kilos, this monster can burn up the rear tire with ease. Not to mention that gone is the Panigale V4 fairing as well. More than a fighter then, this bike is a true monster. For more from EICMA 2019, stay tuned to the AutoToday channel and do remember to hit that subscribe button.